3 yummy muskmelon recipes that will help you in summer. Having multiple benefits in a fruit is not enough for good health until you know how to consume it properly. This summer fruit is also known as cantaloupe and it has various benefits. While most of the people prefer eating muskmelon raw, right out from the refrigerator, there are some muskmelon recipes that can enhance your taste. Muskmelon mouth-watering recipes. Below are some yummy and quirky recipes that you can try and prepare it at your home. Green salad with muskmelon dressing. Ingredients: 1 cucumber cut in cubes, 1 cup lettuce leaves torn, 1 cup blanched broccoli florets, 1 capsicum cut in cubes. Related links. 5 common myths on health that are absolutely wrong. Certain health myths are so common and they are absolutely wrong. Dressing: 1 cup chopped muskmelon, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon mint leaves, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Method to prepare. Blend ingredients for the dressing. Combine all vegetables in a bowl, pour the dressing and serve. Muskmelon mince slush. Ingredients: muskmelon 2 cups cut into small pieces. Black salt 1/4 teaspoon. Method to prepare. Prepare a smooth puree by blending muskmelon and mint with black salt into a blender or a liquidizer. Now, blend all the ingredients properly in a bowl and mix well. Now take a shallow container, and pour this mixture in it. Freeze it for 3-4 hours. Again, take the blender and liquidize the mixture till it turns slushy. Pour this slushy mixture into glasses, garnish it well with mint leaves and serve chilled. Muskmelon banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup muskmelon, 1 banana frozen, ½ cup water, ½ cup curd. Method to prepare. Now blend all the ingredients and serve it chilled to everyone. Muskmelon or cantaloupe is a juicy sweet fruit with a soft flesh and lots of water content. We can also use the seeds of muskmelon. After drying these seeds in good sunlight, roast and add it to salads or soups. We can also add them to our sweets and halwas.